very hard to tell, even from a roofer's point of view, where the leak is actually coming from, unless it's actively going on. Even then, it's tough to tell. Most leaks do occur, though, in areas of penetration. So I highly suggest whenever you notice a leak, if you have, for example, a skylight or a vent, those should be the first locations you look at. Also, solar panels, after getting solar panels installed, a lot of homeowners end up having leaks. So always look for those areas of penetration. The other way you can actually tell where a leak may be coming from is to look at your ridge, which is the highest point of your roof. And the best way to check exactly where it's coming from is just go into your attic space and see where water is intruding from. That usually gives you the overall section. And whenever you get that overall section, that's the area that you should get replaced. I always do recommend to replace an entire section instead of just a patch, because a patch, for one, doesn't last very long. Two, a patch doesn't always cover that exact area of where the leak is coming from. So best to go from ridge down to eave, one entire section, replace that entire thing, and that'll have you covered in regards to roof damage or leaks.